They say the past is a place of reference, is not place of the residence. But yet most of the us and so many of us keep living there. By this line, I would like to greet and I would like to say to good evening and a very warm good evening to every all those people who are listening my video. And now it is a day 4 of the improving my skill and communication with you. And if you want to listen my every day, every and also if you want to connect with me to follow and subscribe me and like me. So now today's topic is totally dependent on the our past. Means no matter the topic, I would like to tell you firstly the topic this which is that no matter that how hard the past, it matters that how you are awareing and how you are move on from the past and how are you watching the dream again. So in this video, also in this topic we will discuss many more things about the past. So first of all, I would like to tell you that exactly I would like what I would like to tell you. So means the past, what is the exactly means past? You would be thinking about it that means I am talking about past, that the yesterday whatever has been lived by us, right? And if most of the people, if all those people who are listening and most of the people would be thinking about it, that means I am talking about the past, that means in the yesterday and all those years means at the yesterday, or also the year which has been lived by there and which has been means they in the love also they have broken their heart. So I'm not talking about like this way. I'm talking about the in the dream, is that means forgetting the dream, forgetting the achievement, forgetting the goal, means how you are moving on from your past, right? Means if you are watching the problems, if you are facing the difficulties, and also most of and every people, a person who do the hard work, so every person face the problems. There is no one that who do the hard work and he or she will not watch the we can say the past or the difficulties and problems. And most of the places they will have to stuck and they will have to means also they had to stuck and also they had to face the all lots of problems and lots means lots of people were stopping to them. But they have moved on from the past and also they have the courage to find out their and achieve their goal in the future. Means that I am talking about all those people who had success in their life. Means in the previous video I also told about the 3 or 4 name who had succeed in their life. I will in this video I will not take the name, but I would like to tell you from the all those people is that means also they have watched the past and also they did the hard work, and again continuously they watch the and they keep watching the dream, and then we can watch easily that where they are. And I would like to one more thing I would like to tell you, that means the past is not permanent, it can be expire, but your dream can't expire till when you are not achieving it, right? So always remember and always keep this thing in your mind, is that if you are doing the hard work, if you are aware for your dream, for your goal, so you will have to face the problems, you will have to stuck everywhere, otherwise you will not be able to get the success. Otherwise you don't have the need, and you don't have need of the means the dream and goals. You are means you are the, if you are lazy person, so you can means regret from your past. But a person who do the hard work, he think and he understands that means from the past I don't have to regret, I have to learn from my past, because your past learns to you meant lots of things, means the if in the past you have done the lots of mistake and lots of mistake has been done by you, so on that time you will have to think and you have to remember that which kind of mistake have been done by me in the past and in the present, and for the future, for becoming successful perfect person, I don't have to do, and then definitely I will become. So in conclusion, I would like to share you one thing is that the past is not means permanent, it is a expiry, but dream can't expire till when you are watching, and continuously you have to watch your dream, because your dream, because your only hope can lead to you ahead and lead to your from your the goal. So that is all for today. Thank you.